If you see a person who is not responsive and not breathing normally or gasping, this person needs CPR. As long as it is safe for you to approach the victim, do so. Tap the victim and shout to see if they respond. Have someone call emergency services and get an AED if available. If you're alone, call emergency services, get an AED, and return to the victim. The basic steps for giving CPR to an unresponsive victim are doing chest compressions and giving breaths. To begin, kneel by the victim's side. Make sure the victim is on their back on a flat, hard surface. Do a visual check for normal breathing. Quickly, remove any clothing that might be in the way. Place the heel of your hand in the center of the victim's chest, between the nipples. Place the heel of your other hand on top of the first. Keep your eyes up, elbows locked, and knees apart. Push hard and fast. Push the chest down firmly at least 2 inches. Between each compression, allow the chest to return to its normal position. Give 30 hard and fast compressions, followed by 2 breaths. To give breaths, place one hand on the victim's forehead and push back. With your other hand, lift the bony part of the victim's chin to open the mouth. Pinch the victim's nose. Place your mouth over the victim's. Give 2 breaths of 1 second each, watching to see the chest rise. Always resume doing compressions immediately after attempting 2 breaths. Continue giving 30 compressions followed by 2 breaths either until the victim starts moving or breathing, or until trained help takes over. If you are not comfortable or unable to perform good breaths, you may continue with hands-only CPR until help arrives.